Annotation means the ability to create a digital layer of text, lines, and shapes over an existing document. While PDF annotation can be utilized on tablets using apps, this video will focus on its use on laptop or desktop computers. Annotating PDFs makes therapy more interactive and therefore more engaging. It provides a quick way of doing an activity without the need to print, saving time and paper. PDF annotation can be used while sitting with clients or students in traditional face-to-face therapy. It is also a great tool for teletherapy. Many teletherapy platforms have a screen sharing feature in which the teletherapist can share a PDF in another window, which would then be viewed by the student within the teletherapy platform. Alternatively, some teletherapy platforms have their own annotation tools built in that can be used with PDFs that are uploaded directly into the platform. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is one of the most common PDF reader softwares for computers. It's free and available for PCs and Macs. There are many annotation tools that could be used, but I'll be sharing what I think are the 3 most helpful and versatile. The first tool is text, which can be found by clicking the comment button, which is the yellow speech bubble on the right side. The T at the top gives the ability to type wherever you click on the PDF. You can change the font, font size, and font color as well. Another tool is the drawing tool, which is represented by a pencil. This tool is also housed in the comments toolbar and allows you to draw or doodle lines on the PDF. You can change the color of the line. A drawing tool would function as a pencil for a traditional worksheet by drawing lines for matching, mazes, or circling answers. Finally, a variety of shapes such as circles, rectangles, and arrows can be overlaid on the PDF. These shape tools are also found in the comments toolbar. The color of the shape and its opacity can be changed. The shapes can then be moved around and used as game pieces, such as in this Guess Who style game. Using PDF annotation tools available on software such as Adobe Reader is a great way to implement digital resources using what activities you already have and are familiar with.